Welcome to a world where plants are more than just for aesthetics. Today we delve into the wonders of one such plant, the willow. This versatile plant graces the landscapes of temperate regions worldwide, adding beauty and utility to seemingly ordinary spaces. Its easy propagation makes it a favorite among garden enthusiasts. But the willow is more than just a pretty face in your garden. Its versatility extends beyond your backyard and into the realm of ecosystem repair. The willow, with its robust and resilient nature, plays a vital role in repairing damaged ecosystems, restoring balance and nurturing life. These plants have the uncanny ability to hold their own against the forces of nature, making them ideal for stream bank stabilization. Imagine a riverbank being constantly eroded by the relentless flow of water. The willow, with its deep rooting system, stands tall and firm, preventing further erosion and maintaining the integrity of the riverbank. Its roots clutch the soil tightly, holding it in place, and its branches offer a welcoming home to various forms of life, contributing to a thriving ecosystem. But the versatility of the willow doesn't end there. These plants are perfect for creating living fences in gardens. A willow fence is not just a boundary, it's a living, breathing entity that sequesters carbon and becomes stronger with age. It's a testament to the adaptability and resourcefulness of nature itself. Moreover, the willow uses its strength to prevent erosion, particularly on pond banks. By planting willows along these banks, the soil is held in place, preventing it from being washed away. The willow also slows down water flow, preventing erosion and recharging water tables, thus preventing pond shallowing. In the grand scheme of things, the willow contributes to carbon sequestration and ecosystem resilience. It's a silent worker, tirelessly contributing to a healthier, more balanced world. So the next time you see a willow, remember it's not just a tree. It's a tool, a protector, a nurturer, and a vital cog in the wheel of life. The willow plant, it seems, is not just a tree but a tool for a healthier, more balanced world. Imagine a fence that breathes, grows, and even contributes to the environment. Welcome to the world of living fences made from willows. Living fences are more than just a boundary line or a decorative accent. They're a marvel of nature, a testament to the versatility of the humble willow. These living fences begin their journey as simple cuttings, taken from willow trees during their dormant season. Once these cuttings are planted and rooted, they grow into strong, living barriers. But how does one transform a row of willow saplings into a fence? The answer lies in the art of weaving. Each sapling is carefully intertwined with its neighbors, creating a dense network of branches and leaves that form a natural, living fence. This weaving process not only gives the fence its structure, but also its unique, organic appearance that only nature can provide. Now you might be wondering, what makes these willow fences so special? Well, one of the key benefits of a willow fence is its ability to sequester carbon. That's right, these living barriers help combat climate change by absorbing and storing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. And there's more. As these fences age, they don't just weather and weaken like their non-living counterparts. Instead, they grow stronger. Each year, the willow trees add new growth, reinforcing the structure and strength of the fence. This natural fortification process ensures that a willow fence is not just a long-lasting investment, but a growing one. So the next time you consider installing a fence, why not think beyond the traditional wooden or metal options? Why not consider a living fence made from willow? With its environmental benefits and natural beauty, a willow fence is more than just a barrier. It's a living, breathing, contributing member of your garden. So a living fence is not just a barrier, it's a living, breathing, contributing member of your garden. Erosion is a silent destroyer of landscapes, but our versatile willow has a solution for this too. With their robust root systems and flexible stems, willows play a significant role in erosion prevention and soil stability. They act like a natural barrier, holding soil in place, even in the most challenging terrains. This is particularly beneficial along riverbanks and slopes, where soil is most vulnerable to erosion. By planting willows along these areas, you're essentially creating a living fence that safeguards your soil. Their roots burrow deep into the earth, firmly holding it in place, while their branches and leaves slow down water flow. This reduces the force of the water hitting the soil, thus minimizing erosion. With their natural ability to thrive in a range of soil types and climates, willows are the knights in shining armor that your landscape needs. They're not just pretty to look at, but they're also hard at work, protecting your soil from erosion. Willows stand as guardians of the soil, keeping it safe and stable. In a world grappling with climate change, every little bit of carbon sequestration counts. And willow fences do their bit. Imagine this. With each willow fence you plant, you're not just beautifying your backyard, you're also helping our planet. As these willow fences grow, they absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, storing it within their roots, stems, and leaves. This process of carbon sequestration aids in reducing the overall greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. But that's not all. These fences, with their robust root system, also enhance the resilience of the ecosystem. They hold the soil firmly, preventing erosion and enhancing soil health. By doing so, they create a conducive environment for other plants to thrive, further aiding in carbon sequestration. So, in essence, every willow fence is a mini carbon sink, tirelessly working to make our planet healthier. With every willow fence, we are taking a step towards a healthier planet. Like any living thing, willow fences need care and maintenance. Let's understand how to keep them thriving. The art of maintaining a willow fence begins with the planting. The dormant season, typically winter, is the best time to plant willow cuttings. These cuttings, once planted, need to be woven into a fence immediately. This process of weaving is not just for aesthetics. It helps the fence to grow stronger and sturdier with time, setting the foundation for a robust living fence. Now, once your willow fence is in place, it's not a set-and-forget situation. Like any garden wonder, it requires regular maintenance. This includes pruning and shaping. These activities are crucial to keep your fence in tip-top shape and ensure it continues to grow in the right direction. So when is the best time to prune your willow fence? While it might seem counterintuitive, winter, when the plant is dormant, is actually the best time. Pruning during this period encourages a burst of new growth come spring. The colder months are also the best time to shape your willow fence, guiding its growth pattern and maintaining its structure. But what if your willow fence grows a little too enthusiastically? Well, that's the beauty of this plant. Willow stems can be cut back to the ground to control their growth. And the best part? This doesn't harm the plant. In fact, it promotes regrowth, ensuring your fence remains lush and vibrant. So, planting, weaving, pruning, shaping, and controlling growth are all part of maintaining a willow fence. But it's not just about maintaining its structure and appearance. Regular maintenance also ensures the health of the willow, allowing it to continue its important work of soil stabilization, water flow control, and carbon sequestration. With a little love and care, your willow fence can be a long-lasting, environmentally friendly addition to your home. The benefits of willow extend beyond fences. Let's explore the world of coppice forestry and basket making. Coppice forestry, an ancient form of woodland management, involves cutting trees close to the ground to stimulate regrowth. This technique is like hitting the reset button on the tree's biological clock, forcing it to begin anew. And guess what? Willow is one of the best suited plants for this method. When you cut a willow tree down, it doesn't just give up and die. Instead, it springs back to life, growing multiple new shoots straight from its stump. This regrowth provides a sustainable source of wood for various uses, including, you guessed it, basket making. Willow has been a favorite material for basket making for centuries. Why, you might ask? Its stems are flexible, making them easy to weave into intricate patterns. But don't let this flexibility fool you. Once woven and dried, these baskets are incredibly strong and durable. Before the advent of plastic, baskets were the go-to solution for storage and transportation. They were part of daily life, used for everything from carrying groceries to storing household items. And willow baskets, with their natural beauty and durability, were often the preferred choice. Growing your own willow for basket making not only enhances self-sufficiency, but also contributes to a sustainable lifestyle. Think about it. You're not just making a basket, you're growing it. Each willow cutting you plant is a step towards a greener, more sustainable future. Moreover, when you harvest your willow for basket making, you're not just taking from the plant, you're giving back. Each cut stimulates the willow to grow back stronger, and in doing so, it sequesters more carbon, contributing to a healthier planet. From fences to baskets, willow embodies versatility and sustainability. It's not just a plant, it's a symbol of how we can live in harmony with nature. So the next time you see a willow tree, remember, it's not just a tree. It's a testament to the resilience of nature and the potential for sustainable living. We've seen willow as a fence and a basket. Now, let's meet willow as a spile. As we delve deeper into the versatility of this plant, we find that it's not just about aesthetics or carbon sequestration. Willow serves a greater purpose in our environment, especially when it comes to soil building and erosion control. So what is spiling? Imagine this. Living stems of plants, often willows, are placed into the ground. More living stems, usually from the same plant, are woven in and out, forming a basket rooted into the ground. It's like weaving a story, only this story is about the earth and its survival. Soil is heaped on the uphill side, creating a barrier against erosion. The vertical stems have a high success rate in rooting, making the structure sturdy and robust. Spiling with willow is like giving Mother Nature a helping hand. It's a biological solution to environmental issues. As the roots of the willow take hold, they fortify the soil structure, preventing erosion and enhancing soil fertility. This is particularly useful in areas prone to landslides or where the soil is loose. The plant's ability to slow down water flow also helps in recharging water tables and preventing pond shallowing. Aside from its environmental benefits, spiling with willow also lends itself to practical uses. The woven stems provide a habitat for small animals and insects, contributing to biodiversity. The shade it provides can be a haven for plants that need protection from harsh sunlight. And let's not forget the willow stems used for spiling can also be harvested for basket materials, fostering self-sufficiency. In essence, spiling with willow is a testament to the adaptability and resilience of nature. It's a reminder that solutions to our environmental problems can be found in the simplest of places, in the humblest of plants. Spiling with willow is another example of how this plant is more than just a tree, it's a solution. As we come to the end of our journey with willow, it's clear that this plant is more than meets the eye. Its versatility is truly astonishing. Found in temperate regions worldwide, the willow is a steadfast companion to the environment, playing a crucial role in ecosystem repair and stream bank stabilization. Imagine a living fence, alive with the pulse of nature, standing tall in your garden. That's the magic of willow. Not only do these fences add a rustic charm to your outdoor space, but they also sequester carbon and become stronger with age. But the willow doesn't stop at being merely ornamental. It's a guardian of the soil, preventing erosion and maintaining soil stability. By slowing down water flow, it aids in recharging water tables and preventing pond shallowing. And let's not forget, every willow contributes to carbon sequestration and ecosystem resilience. Maintaining a willow fence requires a bit of effort, but the rewards are plenty. Regular pruning and shaping ensure a healthy and vibrant fence. And if you're into coppice forestry, willow is your plant. Cutting these plants back to the ground encourages regrowth, keeping ecosystems intact and benefiting all life. Have you ever tried making a basket with willow? Its flexibility makes it an ideal material for basket weaving. And the best part? The fences can be harvested for basket materials, enhancing your self-sufficiency. Lastly, we can't forget about spiling. By planting living stems of willow in the ground and weaving them together, we can create a biological solution to environmental issues. This technique is effective for soil building, erosion control, and even stream restoration. In essence, the willow is not just a plant, it's a lifestyle, a testament to our commitment to the environment. And every willow fence we install is a step towards a healthier planet. So what are you waiting for? It's time to welcome the willow into your life. Join us again as we explore more wonders of the natural world. And remember, every willow fence is a step towards a healthier planet. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section.